position! Vehicles prepare! Team ready! I'll clear the way immediately! Follow me closely!
There's a car stuck! Get into position! I'm coming in right behind you!
Clear the way! Is anyone there?
Hold tight! I'm pulling you out!
Yes, sir! It's clear now! Great job, everyone!
I'm out! Well done! You're safe now!
Starting to rebuild the bridge.
I'll carry the small pieces.
Lifting the first block. I'll hold it steady. Cargo arriving. Careful on the left corner. Hold steady. Perfect.
The bridge is sturdy now. Let's go!
Stop right there! You can't catch me! Don't mess up the road anymore! Block the right path!
I'm sorry, okay.
All right, let's clean this up together! Starting the street cleaning mission!
I'll collect the items right away!
Got a big pile already! Continue on the left side. This block is heavy! I'll keep it balanced. The bridge is still solid. Good! It's safe! Go the right way! Understood! That's a full load! I'll sort them next! Placed in the correct position. Well done! The last block is here! Give it to me! It's all good. Just the last section left. Here's the last item. Let me carry it. All routes are clear. Excellent. All placed back. It looks great. Completely stable.
Perfect.
Almost done. Almost done. I'm ready to summarize. Mission accomplished. Vroom! Vroom! Let's continue our patrol.
I'll lead the way.
There's a small block not picked up yet. Let me collect it right away.
The roof is a bit tilted. I'll hold it while you fix it.
I've collected everything. Make sure the path is clear. The bridge is still stable. Good. No further adjustments needed. No more obstacles. I'll help from behind. All neatly placed.
Great! I'll lift the last big item.
Lifting this block. I'll hold it underneath for safety. This way is clear. Excellent. The slope is clean. We made it through. Slow down a bit. Understood. I'm slowing down. The door is straight. It looks better now. Decorating is done.
Great, it's very bright.
This area is safe. Let's move on. Another segment completed. Vroom!
Follow me. Stay close together.
All collected. Great, I'll handle the big pieces.
This block is really crooked.
Hold tight, I'll assist. This path is safe. Let's keep going. The bridge is stable. Then let's cross. Put back in place. Looks very neat. Continue straight.
Following you.
This block is safely down. Let me carry it.
It's sturdy now.
Good. Let's continue. No more fallen items. Excellent. This block needs a slight adjustment. I'll hold the base. Completely clean. Fantastic. The bridge is beautiful and strong. We're almost done.
This leg was perfect.
Good. Prepare for the final summary. Well done, everyone. Vroom!
A new leg begins.
Keep up the spirit.
Found a few more blocks. Let me stack them on the shelf. The pillars are stable.
Good. The children will be safe. Clearing this big object. I'll carry it right away.
The bridge is very clean. Absolutely perfect.
The colored pieces are on the shelf.
Great, it looks beautiful. The curved road is safe. Following you closely. This block needs a slight adjustment. I'll hold the base for you.
It's very sturdy now. Well done, Captain. Well done, Captain. All collected. Good. Hand them to me for sorting. Fence is stable.
Great!
Block is down safely. I'll take it right away. Steps are sturdy. Perfect for use. Decorations are back. Looks wonderfully prominent. Another leg completed! Vroom! Starting a new route. Following you right away. All picked up. Give them to me for sorting.
This piece is very uneven. I'll hold it steady.
Ramp is all stable. I'll clear the base of the ramp. Railing is sturdy. Great, let's move on. Placed in the correct position. So tidy. Road is safe. Good, continue. This block is straight now. Looks really nice!
Slide is safe. Kids will love it.
Intersection is clear!
Wonderful.
Bridge is still sturdy! Good! Move forward! This item is in the right place! I'll tidy up around it. Roofs are very stable now. Well done, team leader.
Decorations are back in their old spot. Perfect.
Almost at the 100 mark. Vroom! The final route starts now. Let's complete it together. Just collecting the last ones. Give them to me for further sorting.
This sign is straight now. Looks perfectly stable.
Ramp is safe. I'll clear the base of the ramp. Bridge is sturdy. Good. No more adjustments needed. All placed now.
Very tidy.
This block is very sturdy. Great. Let's continue. No more omissions. We're almost done. Final route completed.
The city is truly wonderful.
100 scene mission completed.